Got my new katana today, so this is just me taking it out of the packaging when it first came in. This is a full tang and razor sharp katana, so I'll be able to do cutting demonstrations with it in the future. It's got a lot of shipping oil on it though, so the first thing I'll have to do is clean it. So this is my cleaning kit here. And I'm just wiping off the shipping oil so you can see how dirty that little rice paper towelette is already. Just trying to get all the grime off first before we start cleaning it. And these little kits, you can get these on Amazon. They come with everything you need. The oil, the little powder ball thing. You just kind of tap it on the broadside of the sword. You just don't want to get on the sharp part. That'll just cut the back open and make a mess. So just tap it along the non-sharp sides. And then you'll take one of those pieces of rice paper towelette thing. I'm sure there's a name for it. And same thing, you just hold against the non-sharp side, the back of the katana, and wipe all that powder off. Then the oil, you're just going to put some of that on a new towel, one that hasn't been used yet. Don't need too much. And then you just want to wipe a nice light film of that oil on each side of the blade. And that's going to help prevent it from rusting over time. There we go. All set. So there's my new katana.